Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to an all new exciting episode with your boy Salem, and today we're going to be delving into the new added features on Adobe Photoshop 2024. Okay, so that's the beta version if you're conversant with that. So first things first, once you have that opened, you could actually see that generative fill is like the biggest thing. Generative fill is the biggest thing, and you could see what generative fill actually is. To add or remove content from your images non-destructively using simple text prompts to achieve astounding results. Now, if you want to have a clear picture of what that is, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description, or I already have a video of that. Okay, you could actually see that at the top of your screen right about now, so you could go watch that video on generative AI. Yeah, so next is the generative expand. Okay, that's the next new thing, generative expand. Now this comes in really nice, where probably you have taken a photograph that is cropped in too much and you want to zoom out a little bit, so you could actually just expand the image and let the AI generate what could possibly fit the image. Okay, so it says expand the canvas using the crop tool workflow and resize any image by filling the empty space with newly generated content that naturally blends with the existing image. Now another thing that has been added is your ability to create images and designs that you would love in a few steps using Photoshop on the web's streamlined UI that is easy to find tools, and customizable filters and more, all accessible from your web browser. Okay, now in Photoshop 2024, the remove tool has been improved. Okay, so I most likely would be making a video on this. I don't have a video on that currently, but if you want a video of that, you could let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so the remove tool is now faster and allows you to remove an object just by circling and brushing over it. Now I think basically this could actually you could actually work with this on either the what's it called, the little improvements that have been made using the healing brush tool. Yeah, so you could just circle around and let it do its thing, and it would generate a new image that naturally blends. Okay, and next thing that has been added is improved contextual task bar. Now the contextual task bar is a floating menu that presents the most relevant next steps in your workflow. So it uses machine learning and all that to predict what you could probably be needing. So if you have selected a portion of your image, it brings up tools that are most relevant to this selection at that moment. It keeps updating, and it's a floating task bar, although you could actually pin it to a particular point on your screen. I would be making a video on that as well. Okay, and now expedites workflows that involve masking. It makes the whole editing process really easier. Okay, and lastly, the new thing that has been added is the new Adobe Express. Now you could quickly make social media posts, videos, PDFs and more. Use Adobe Firefly generative AI and work with Photoshop files right in Adobe Express. Adobe Express is included in your Adobe Creative Cloud plan, so you could just get that real quick. And this is a handful compared to other years. This is great new stuff that has been added into Photoshop. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.